Guys, welcome back to Krishna series, and in today's video we are going to talk about punctuality. Have you heard the word punctuality? If not, we will tell you in today's video, and we will also tell you a story related to punctuality. But firstly, you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more. What is punctuality? In a simple way, we can say that punctuality is the thing which we done on time. Have you ever heard that be punctual? Because punctuality is very important in our daily life, and you have studied in your books also. So we have a related story about punctuality. Once upon a time, there were two siblings named Prerna and Param. Prerna was an intelligent and a good girl, whereas Param was a lazy boy and he used to talk his family member rudely. But the good quality of Param was that he was very kind. And on one day,
Hey Prerna, what you doing?
Param, I'm finding books to read.
Oh shit. First do my thing what I'm pass me the chip packet.
Param, you can also take by your own because you are not doing anything.
What do you mean by I'm not doing anything? I'm watching my favorite cartoon. If you will not pass me the chips packet, I will tear your all books.
Okay, I am passing to you.
That will be better for you.
Wow, so funny. Mom is saying to close the TV because Param, you're watching since 3 hours and tomorrow is our final exam. Have you prepared for it?
What? Tomorrow is our final exam?
Yes, no. If not, so you can study because you have a whole day. And I have done my study and I'm going to revise it. So you can come with me.
No, I didn't know. But now I will not study because it is too boring.
What are you saying? Okay, don't study. I'm going.
Beta, where is Param? He is not studying.
No, Mom. He has said that he will not come and also not prepare for the exam.
Oh, I have also asked Param, but he has given me the same answer. Okay, Beta, what we can do now? You study.
Mom, I'm ready. I'm going to school.
Okay, Beta, best of luck.
Mom, Param has not picked up.
No, Beta, he has locked the room also. Prerna, I have called the locksmith, but he was saying he will arrive after 1 hour. So your exam on that time will be started. So you go to school, I will manage.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, kids. In 20 minutes, the exam will be started, and I will not wait for any of the student. Param, what is this? You have locked the gate, and only 20 minutes are left for your exam. Wake up!
What? Only 20 minutes are left.
Yes, only 20 minutes are left, and your sister has gone already.
So why Prerna didn't wake up me earlier?
How will she do that? You have locked your gate and window also.
I am late. Now I will walk fast.
I am blind. Can somebody help me?
What happened, uncle?
Can you cross me the road, please?
Yes, uncle, of course. I'm waiting from 2 hours. No one is helping me.
Road, please.
Yes, uncle, of course.
Thank you, child.
Uncle, here is your home.
Again, thank you, child.
Only 5 minutes are left. Ma'am, may I come in? My name is Param. I want to give exam.
What? You have to give exam. You know that time is over. Have you seen the clock? I have informed before the exam that I will not take any exam if you are late. Param, why are you crying? How was the paper?
Mom, it was not nice. And I was late and ma'am said she will not take my paper now.
Mom, Param, you remember on Monday, Ma'am is telling about punctuality. and you want a good example. So I think now you have a good example of it. Mom, I asked ma'am and principal to take Param paper, but they were not ready.
Yes, you are right. From now onwards, I will not be a lazy person and I will be punctual.
Moral of the story is that we should do every work on time. Param wake up earlier. He can help the old blind man and can go to school on time. I think with Param, you all also understand a good example of punctuality, and those who don't know what is punctuality, they also understand. So, if you learn from a video, please like, share, and subscribe. Today's video is about moral stories. So, if you like the moral stories topic, please comment.